Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. Chart request weekly video here. You ask, I chart. Before we start, quick reminder, Fibonacci Traders program, 10% off until end of March. The only program that will transform you to become your own indicator, stop following others, and lifetime access, support, guidance, and all Discord channels. So without any further ado, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Let's dig in the charts. ASO, first name on the list today. We have blue trend line holding as resistance for the lower highs. We have the red trend line holding support, the higher lows. Price range is getting tighter and tighter. We need to wait. Long above blue, short below the red, and then we have Fibonacci levels, both sides to follow as resistance or support to the downside and manage risk according. Of course, everything you see and hear on this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own due diligence. Never follow blindly anyone on social media, paid or free services. FedEx, orange uptrend channel, white short-term downtrend channel, and as long as this downtrend channel is holding price, it's short. Breaking above, we can go long, and then we have levels to the downside and to the upside to manage our risk according. Zoom. Basically, chart speaks for itself. We have a downtrend channel. Until this channel will not break to the upside, in my opinion, no long here. We can take Fibonacci. We see that 65 area is holding. It was December lows. We have also here a doji. So let's see if this doji will validate as a trend reversal signal. If it will, we need to wait for a break above this orange trend line. Then we have all the levels to the upside. Continuation to the downside. We have levels to the downside. Intel. As we can see, the 25 area, very important support. Bounced over here. Also bounced over here. Now, let's see if we can get some kind of a double bottom scenario, sorry. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and now we have all the levels that we need to the upside. Long, breaking above 28. Neo, short, downtrend until proven otherwise. We have this major red trend line that held the lower lows. Now seems like it's going back, retesting this trend line somewhere over 730 area. So until proven otherwise, it is downtrend on Neo. AVGO, Broadcom, very nice uptrend channel. Now it looks like it's going to fill the gap over here at the 600. So if you're not long yet, I would wait for this gap to get filled. Maybe a bounce off this lower trend line, bounce back to the upper one. But overall, AVGO looks nice for long position. ANET. As we can see, trend lines are true support resistance for price action. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Every time price is reaching this trend line, it's getting rejected. It was support over here. Now it's resistance. We have all the levels to the downside to manage our risk. I would wait if you want to go long. I would wait for some kind of a reversal of the 142 or 135. It can go all the way over here also. We have an open gap at the 122 area, and we know more than 80% of all gaps will get filled throughout time. So, suggestion, if you're not long yet, I would wait. Maybe it's short time for ANET. Follow price, look left. You can understand what price did every time it reached this area of this trend line. Now you have all the levels to follow to the downside to manage your risk. And of course, do your own due diligence. This is only educational purposes. PEP, PepsiCo. This trend line is holding the higher lows. Now let's see if we can get a touch and a bounce. For me, long above 174, short below this white trend line. A is the ticker. Trend lines are the true support resistance for price action. Now let's see if we look left. Every time price reached this trend line, it bounced. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth time. 5 is a Fibonacci number. Is this the magic number that will break this trend line to the downside? If so, we take Fibonacci swing high, swing low. Now you can see trend line together with the 618 Fibonacci retracement level breaking below this one, 130 to the downside and maybe all the way back to 120. Bounce. We have levels to the upside as potential future resistance. Chipotle. CMG is the ticker. Uptrend. Retracement. 618 Fibonacci level. Now we have two consecutive dojis off the 1570. Look left. Why? Because it was a very tough resistance. As you can see over here. Tried. Went back down. Now, over here, bounced down, two consecutive dojis. Maybe we'll get a trend reversal back to the downside. Then we have all the levels here to manage our risk as potential support. Back up, we have levels to the upside for potential resistance. Always prepare for both sides. No one knows what will happen next. All we can do is manage our risk. This is the only thing we have full control of. Risk management, minimizing potential risk. That's it. LMT, Lockheed Martin. We have a double top scenario of the 490 area. As you can see. Double top scenario, maybe it's going back to the downside, but we need validation below the 470 area, 468, then we can go short. Same as it did over here. Tried, got rejected, went down, bounced back, rejected, rejected, rejected. Look how many times. Look how strong this 490 area is. Super strong resistance. Went back down. Now went back up. Once again, all this area, 480, 490 area, super strong resistance for LMT. Let's zoom out to the weekly. Get a better point of view. Easing the noise. Now you can see it very clear. You have this trend line. The lower highs. Now, Fibonacci to the downside. Below 471 to the downside. Next potential support will be 450. Further 436. If the 436 will fail to hold, double top scenario all the way to 380 area. Always prepare for both sides. It can also break to the upside, this trend line, and then 499 is the next resistance. Breaking above it, you take this trend line over here. breaking above this one for 536 and maybe all the way to 590. Always prepare for both sides. The only thing we traders have full control of is risk management. Nothing more, nothing else. Follow price, look left, Fibonacci, and trend lines. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, will be much appreciated. Once again, reminder, Fibonacci Traders program, the only program that will transform you to become your own indicator. Stop following others. 10% off until end of March. Check the links in the description below. Lifetime access, support, guidance, and all Discord channels. Until the next video, stay safe.